Alright, so after about 4 hours of driving, we made it to the Valley of Fire State Park. Como is going to get up on one of these rocks. Right up there. So this is my first trip with Matt actually. We've been following each other for like, how long? A couple of years?
Yeah, a while.
Yeah, a while. So it's been a long time coming. Finally made it happen when I was in LA. And yeah, we're literally just gonna be winging this whole trip for the next 4 days.
That's the best, no expectations, and just taking everything as it comes. There's no better way to do it.
Yeah, you heard it. So the sun is just setting. Hopefully we're gonna capture some of the light. We're gonna get some shots of Matt down this road, get some cinematic stuff with the drone. Yeah, see how this goes. So today we're using the 1DX and the A7R Mark III. The best thing about the Sony cameras is the low light, and that's definitely what the Canon's lacking. So we're gonna give you guys a little preview, and we're gonna head back into the desert later on tonight, bring these two cameras back out and see how they perform in low light conditions. Got back to the sunset spot, drove back out here. It's completely dark right now. This is just the only light which is around us, so hopefully the cameras are going to pick up something. I hope you're going to get some star photography stuff, but it's looking kind of cloudy above, so hopefully the cameras will pick up something, but let's see how well this does. You've been acting stranger every time. Won't you speak? Your mind was gotten into you. Okay, so we just got to the Valley of Fire State Park again for sunrise. I actually knocked out in the car, and when I woke up, the sky was on fire, literally. We're going to try hiking up this rock and see if there's any colours on the other side, because it's fading a little bit. So we've got to quickly get a move on. Hopefully we're going to make it, but we're here for sunrise and it's looking amazing. Alright, so we just finished off shooting sunset. Unfortunately, we were just a bit late catching the light. So yeah, we had to settle for some sun flare stuff, but it looks pretty awesome around here. Sometimes it takes too long. And I wanna know if things weren't so in love. Sometimes you gotta give things up. Sometimes you better not let go. Cause I need to know when I'm down and in trouble. Jump in the water. Jump in the water. Alright Mitch, do you want to explain what's going on? How did we end up here?
So we drove the majority of the day. We got here like 1 o'clock and we ended up just leaning the seats back and resting and sleeping. And I think we're ready to go explore the dunes.
Alright, so we're going to give the fire torch a go now. We're just going to wrap up a piece of hotel towel on a piece of a metal rod and test out these low light cameras and see how the Sony's looking.
We got our, I believe it's a copper pole, and we got our 2 towels and we got a sock. So we're going to wrap the 2 towels around and then put the sock over top and zip tie it up.
our last stop was the Trona Pinnacles. I've never been to a place that looks like Mars like this before. We're just getting some shots before the sun comes up. Matt's gonna climb up this massive one behind me, and I'm gonna go right up here to try and capture some shots from above, and then we're gonna get the drone up and yeah, wait for those sun flares to come through.
Do you remember whispering I'm falling hard? We were drinking whiskey at your father's house. Took me by the hand and then we kissed for hours. Those are the good days. Those were the good days. Do you remember life? It took you far from here. And I could see you crying even when you held back your tears. Leaving me behind was everything you feared. I said remember the good days. Hey, what I'm trying to say is hey, you let go of the wheel. Like someone got the brakes loose. Let's get lost for real. I know your love will find a way to you, but would you trust me if it took a leap of faith to leave?